Ladies and gentlemen, we are delighted to commence the second half of our program. Next, we are pleased to present a Padam. This expressive piece is a central part of the Bharatanatyam repertoire, where the dancer conveys deep emotions and intricate storytelling through graceful movements and subtle expressions. Today, Sesha would be presenting a beautiful Padam, Shankara Srigiri. In this piece, she would be depicting Lord Shiva, the Lord of the mountains, dancing in all his splendor at the Chitrasabha. With holy ash on his body, with garlands made of skulls adorning his neck, the three-eyed Lord Shankara is dancing splendidly along with his followers, the Bhutaganas. The dancing bells on their feet are ringing with a rhythm, Tvanatanana. The celestial and pious sages are witnessing his divine dance from the sky. Witnessing the divine dance with perfect rhythmic beats, countless dancers are feeling shy. Shankara shines with his echoing beats of dance in the lotus-like heart of Lord Padmanabha. Presenting to you a beautiful composition of Maharaja Swati Tirunal, Shankara Srigiri, in Ragam Hamsadandi and Talam Adi.
शंकर श्रीगिरि नाद प्रभो शंकर श्रीगिरि नाद प्रभो शंकर श्रीगिरि नाद प्रभो शंकर नाद प्रभो नृत विराजित चित्र सभा में शंकर श्रीगिरि नाद प्रभो नृत विराजित चित्र सभा में शंकर श्रीगिरि नाद प्रभो नृत विराजित चित्र सभा में शंकर श्रीगिरि नाद प्रभो नृत विराजित चित्र सभा शंकर श्रीगिरि नाद प्रभो भस्मत्र नेत्र गले रुल्ड माला भस्मत्र नेत्र गले रुल्ड माला भस्मत्र नेत्र गले
ಜನನಂ ತದ್ದೆ ಜನನಂ ತಗುಂದರಿ ಕಿಟತಗ ಜನನಂ ಜನನಂ ತಗುಂದರಿ ಕಿಟತಗ ಜನನಂ ಜನನಂ ತಗುಂದರಿ ಕಿಟತಗ
तदीं तग्रदीन बाजे कोडि बान जब देख खिलाजे तग्रदीं तग्रदीन बाजे कोडि बान जब देख खिलाजे तग्रदीं तग्रदीन बाजे कोडि बान जब देख खिलाजे तग्रदीं तग्रदीन बाजे कोडि बान जब देख खिलाजे कमल विराजे शलकरा शलकर शलकर शलकर
Namaste everyone. I am Vani Nair and it is truly a privilege to be here with all of you today, sharing in the joy and celebration of Sesha's Arangetram, a milestone that marks not just the culmination of years of dedication and discipline, but also a beginning of a beautiful artistic journey. It is heartwarming to witness the love, support, and enthusiasm that fills this space. And I feel honored to be an integral part of this memorable occasion. Before we continue with the festivities, I would like to take a moment to express our deepest gratitude to someone who has played a vital role in making this afternoon so special. Our host for the day, Ms. Namrata Iyer. Her graceful presence, eloquent words, and vibrant energy have truly elevated the experience for all of us. From the very first welcome to the seamless transitions between performances and speeches, Namrata has brought warmth and professionalism that deserve heartfelt appreciation. Her anchoring has not only guided us through the event, but has also added a refreshing charm that made every moment feel connected and meaningful. It takes immense effort and poise to hold an audience's attention while maintaining the spirit of celebration, and Namrata has done this with remarkable finesse. So on behalf of everyone present here, I invite you all to join me in giving her a big round of applause. And now I kindly request Sesha's parents, Mrs. Rashmi Girishan and Mr. S. Girishan, to kindly come forward and felicitate Ms. Namrata Iyer as a token of our appreciation for her outstanding contributions to today's event. Thank you once again for allowing me to share in this beautiful celebration. May the rest of this afternoon continue to be filled with joy, inspiration, and magic of dance. Wishing you all a wonderful time ahead. Thank you. Now, I would request Sesha's parents to kindly felicitate Sesha's dance class friends who have helped us with today's program. First up, we have Ms. Vani Nair. Can we have a round of applause for Ms. Vani Nair? Next, we have Ms. Sharanya Nambiar. Can we have a round of applause for Ms. Sharanya Nambiar? Next, we have Ms. Alina Jacob. Can we have a round of applause for Ms. Alina Jacob? Lastly, we have Mr. Srijit Nambiar. Can we have a round of applause for Mr. Srijit Nambiar? Now, we would like to invite anyone from the audience who wishes to share a few words about today's performance or the dancer. Your reflections and blessings mean a lot to us.
Namaskaram. A great honor to stand in front of these talented people. A warm greetings to everyone present here. Today is a celebration not just of dance, but of dedication, discipline, and dreams. We are gathered to witness Shesa's Arangetram, a moment that marks the beginning of her journey as a classical dancer. It is the culmination of years of practice, perseverance, and passion. Arangetram is not merely a performance, it is a rite of passage. It is the moment when a student steps forward to share her art with the world, carrying the blessings of her gurus, the love of her family, and grace of tradition. Shesa's journey has been one of quiet strength and expressive beauty. Through every mudra, every movement, she has learned not just the technique but storytelling. She has learned to speak without words, to emote without dialogue, and to connect without explanation. That's what we all have noticed here. There's a beautiful line for her. उसके कदम छुए जमीन को पर रूह उड़ान भर जाए. उसके कदम छुए जमीन को पर रूह उड़ान भर जाए. जब वो नाचे तो लगे जैसे खुद भगवान मुस्काए. खुद भगवान Muskai. Her dance is a prayer, a poem written with her toes. Each step she takes is a vibration of the divine. Over the past 12 years, Shesha has esteemed Guru Srimati Uma Ravi ma'am not only in Bharatanatyam but also Mohini Yattam and Kochipudi. Her versatility and dedication have earned her remarkable recognition. As we all have heard about her achievements, the great awards, art, book of world records she had made, she was conferred the World Talent title in Mohinattam by the Magic Book of Records. She is a genius world record holder, an international performer recognized by AJDA, winner of Kalosov 2018 Grand Finale and Kalosov 2021 Bharatanatyam, honored and awarded by the Magic Book of World Records. These accolades are not just medals, they are milestones that reflect her commitment, her the artist knowledge what she had, and her spirit. Behind this moment are many hands and hearts. So, here, what we have noticed, we all gathered here, the great gurus and her friends, well wishers, family members, these all are the great, we have to give them a deepest gratitude. And to Shesha, what a beautiful beginning this is. May your feet contribute to dance with purpose. May your heart stay rooted in tradition. You have a soar creativity in you. May you carry this art forward not just as a performer but as a storyteller, as a torch bearer and an inspiration. Congratulations, Shesha. You have made this day unforgettable. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for sharing something so wonderful. Now, Sesha will present a Kirtanam. Kirtanam is a devotional dance item and my favorite piece, often dedicated to a deity that combines rhythmic footwork, that is nritta, with expressive gestures and facial expressions, that is abhinaya. She will be presenting a popular Kirtanam, Ranjani Mala, composed by Sri Tanjavur Shankara Iyer. The lyrics praise the goddess, describing her as Ranjani, the delightful one, with eyes like tender lotus petals. Sri Ranjani, the one who speaks beautifully and satisfies her devotees. Megha Ranjani, the one who delights in music and has a face like the moon. Jana Ranjani, the one who cares for afflicted people, removes sins, and is the delight of all. Presenting to you Ranjani Mala in Ragam, Ragamalika, and Talam Adi.
कुरज बिंब वदनी धूम्रक्ष संहारिणी चिद्रूपी परदेवता भगवती श्रीराज राजेश्वरी भगवती श्रीराज राजेश्वरी भगवती श्रीराज राजेश्वरी रंजनी मृदु पंकजलोचनी रंजनी मृदु पंकजलोचनी रंजनी मृदु पंकजलोचनी मृदु पंकजलोचनी रंजनी मृदु पंकजलोचनी सरिग सनि द सरिग मग सा सनि द नि नि द मग मग सरिग सनि द सरिग मग सा सनि द नि नि द मग मग मंजु भाषिणी मंजु भाषिणी मनोलसिनी मंजु भाषिणी मनोलसिनी मल्द अगमनी मल्द अगमनी श्रीरंजनी 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 सनि द मगरे गम नि द मगरे सरे ग मगरे सरे सनि द मगरे गम नि द मगरे सरे ग मगरे सरे द नि सरे ग सनि द सरे ग मग सा सनि द नि नि द मग मग स मगन विनोदिनी समगन विनोदिनी अम्ब समगन विनोदिनी शशांकवदनी मारजननी पामर जनपलिनी शूलिनी पवविमोचनि पावनि जनरञ्जनि जनरञ्जनि पापमरे गमपमरे गमप निसदप सदप दपमरे पापमरे गमपमरे गमप निसदप सदप दपमरे निस निनिस सनिनि ममनिनि मनि ममनिनि मम गगरि निनिस निनिस सनिनि ममनिनि मनि ममनिनि मम गगरि सनिद मगरि गम निद मगरि सरि ग मगरि सरि ग सनिद मगरि गम निद मगरि सरि ग मगरि सरि धनि सरि ग स सनिद स सरि ग मद स सा सनिद नि नि ध मग मग स सा सनिद नि नि ध मग मग स सा सनिद नि नि ध मग मग स रंजनी रंजनी मृदुप गजलोजनी रंजनी मृदुप गजलोजनी रंजनी मृदुप गजलोचनि रंजनी मृदुप गजलोचनि रंजनी रंजनी मृदुप गजलोचनि रंजनी गजलोचनि रंजनी रंजनी
Now, I request Guru Srimati Uma Devi to kindly come on stage and present Sesha with a token of appreciation for her dedication and hard work. Now, Sesha is being presented with a token of gratitude for her numerous years of hard work and dedication. Moving on, we present a vibrant Tillana. A Tillana is known for its lively tempo and intricate rhythms. It's primarily a nritta piece, meaning it focuses on pure dance movements and intricate rhythmic patterns, but can also include elements of abhinaya, that is, expressive dance. Tillanas are known for their lively pace and are generally the concluding piece of a Bharatanatyam performance. Presenting before you, Tillana in Ragam Hindolam and Talam Khanda Eka, a magnificent composition of Sri Mysore Vasudevachar. Following this, Sesha would be performing Mangalam. In a Bharatanatyam recital, the Mangalam serves as a traditional concluding piece, offering a serene and auspicious end to the performance. It is a heartfelt expression of gratitude to the divine, the Guru, the audience, and a prayer for peace and well-being.
தி தனனன நத்ர தனி தனி தும் தனி தும் தும் நத்ர தனி தும் தும் தனி தும் தனன தனனி தனனன நத்ர தனி தனி தும் தனி தும் தும் நத்ர தனி தும் தும் தனி தும் தனன தனனி ಕಿಡದಗ ತರಿ ಕಿಡ ದುಂಧಿ ತಾನ ನನ ನದ್ರ ದ್ರ ತಾನಿ ತನಿ ದುದ್ರ ತನಿ ತೋಂ ನದ್ರ ತನಿ ದುದ್ರ ತನಿ ತನ ನದನ ನಿ ತಾನ ನನ ನದ್ರ ದ್ರ ತಾನಿ ತನಿ ದುದ್ರ ತನಿ ತೋಂ ಸ ಸ ಮ ಮದ ಮದ ಗ ಮದ ನಿ ಸ ಗ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ಗ ಸ ನಿ ನಿ ಸ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಮ ಮದ ಮ ಗ ಸ ದ ದ ನಿ ದ ದ ನಿ ದ ತನಂ 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 ಧೀಂ ತ ಗಿಡ ದಾರ ಧೀಂ ಧೀಂ ತ ಗಿಡ ದಾರ ಮ ಗ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಮದ ನಿ ಸ ಗ ಮ ಮ ಮದ ಮದ ಮ ಗ ಸ ಮ ಮ ನಿ ದ ಮದ ದ ನಿ ದ ಸ ನಿ ಗ ಸ ಮ ಗ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಧೀಂ ತ್ಲಂ ಗಿಡದಗ ದರಿ ಗಿಡ ದೊಂ ತಕ ಧೀಂ ತ್ಲಂ ಗಿಡದಗ ದರಿ ಗಿಡ ದೊಂ ತಕ ದಿ ಗು ಧೀಂ ತ್ಲಂ ಗಿಡದಗ ದರಿ ಗಿಡ ದೊಂ ಧೀ ತ ನ ನ ನ ನ ದ್ರ ದ್ರ ತ ನಿ ತ ನಿ ದ್ರ ತ ನಿ ದೊ ನ ದ್ರ ತ ನಿ ದ್ರ ತ ನಿ ದೊ ತ ದ ನ ದ ನ ನಿ నీదు మహిమలను నే పొగడి పొగడి నిన్నే సదా భజన చేసి మై మరచిదీని నీదు మహిమలను నే పొగడి పొగడి నిన్నే సదా భజన చేసి మై మరచిదీని శ్రీకాంచీపురి వెలయుగ మాక్షి కడాక్షి కరుణ చూడ అమ్మ అమ్మ శ్రీకాంచీపురి వెలయుగ మాక్షి కడాక్షి కరుణ చూడ అమ్మ అమ్మ తగు తగిడగ మదని సగద గజం గజం గణం నిని స సని దమ మగ మగ నద తని తుద తని తుతనం తనం 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 నీం తగిడ దార ధీం ధీం తగిడ దార మగ సని దమ దని సగ మమ మద మద మగ స మమ ని దమ ద తని ద సని గ స మగ సని ధని ధీం త్లం కిడదగ ధని కిడ తుం తగ్గ ధీం త్లం కిడదగ ధని కిడ తుం తగ్గ ధి గు ధీం త్లం కిడదగ ధని కిడ తుం ధీ తా న న న న ద్ర ద్ర తా ని త ని ద్ర త ని దో న ద్ర త ని దో ద్ర త ని దో త ద న ద న ధీ తా న న న న ద్ర ద్ర తా ని త ని ద్ర త ని దో ద్ర త ని దో ద ద ని దో ద ద న ద న ధీ తా న న న న ద్ర ద ఆ ని న ని న ద్ర ద ని దో దో న ద్ర త ని దో దో ద్ర త ని దో ద ద న ద న ధీ త న న ద న ధీ ధీ త న న ద న ధీ शंकराय शंकराय शंकराय